Hey guys, Lenny, Dynamite Diesel. Welcome back to the channel. So Rex, what are we doing?
We are sending the F100 body and bed back to paint and getting a brand new paint job on her.
The truck came here, and this is how a lot of projects start, right? Hey, I just want a Cummins in my truck, and I was like, hold on, like a Cummins in a 1973 chassis is not a great idea. Let's not do that. So we found him a donor truck, a really clean 130,000 mile old first gen Dodge truck. Fortunately for us, like steering fits like a glove.
Steering fits right on.
The pickup box.
Pickup box, real easy to mount. Just drilled right into the top of the frame flanges. Power steer, or the brakes hooked right up. Master cylinder just bolted right on.
Whoever worked at Ford in the 70s went to work for Dodge in the late 80s and basically kept the blueprints, basically. So this is a cool body style truck. I'm kind of stoked to do it. Yesterday, the frame went off to the powder coat shop. Full Circle is gonna sandblast that, powder coat it, and we're gonna paint everything underneath the truck because we don't want to disassemble for bearings, and we don't want to get all the sandblasting stuff out of the differentials and all the critical components. So we're just gonna pressure wash the heck out of that and paint it. But cab is going to Rusty Classics. Mark Brower is going to end up doing the paint job on that. Same as UCC truck. Yep. He'll have that here in about an hour. And then super excited, you guys, like UCC truck, like it kind of, it hit a lull for a minute because we were waiting on Andrew Dvorak at Midgets Diesel, just built us a transmission. So Turbo 400 1.25" shaft is here.
It's here.
Torque converter, needle chance converters here. Milliken's helping us with that, and we're basically going to get back to that here today, right? Like you were waiting on some steering parts,
waiting on some end links and stuff like that. So everything came in and get the rack mounted back up and kind of finalized and make sure everything's going to jive.
Mitch just got back from Shides, and for those of you that haven't ever driven across the USA, like it's kind of taxing. Like I've done it a bunch, and this year I decided that I was busy enough anyways, so Mitch jumped in the truck and drove to Shides, worked the booth, did the things at Shides, turned around, came right back, off to Rusty Classics. I'll be gone, going to Australia here in a few days. I'll be gone for the better part of September, and these guys will be out here getting things done. So that's pretty much it.
We got the motor back too for the 12 valve motor back.
So yeah, the 12 valve motor ran perfect, worked great. But let's be honest, like the thing's 30 years old or whatever, and every surface in it is gonna be rusted, decayed, warped, gross. So we tore the entire motor apart that ran perfect. We sent the injection pump out, had it rebuilt. So the guys at Northeast Kevin's already got that on the way back. We'll have a brand new clean looking pump that's freshly calibrated, fresh new gasket kit.
Yep.
We're just trying to make something that's gonna live another 30 years and not give the guy a bunch of hassles and grief and grossness.
Yeah.
And I mean, that's a lot of information.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot going on.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Catch you guys later. Thanks.
See ya.